Hey guys, Ken Perryman. I'm back again with another product, and well, check it out. It's right here, right in front of me. It is the GMM SSD Enclosure. It is a M.2 NVMe SATA SSD enclosure, but this is for the NVMe adapter reader, and what's really cool about it is it has a cooling fan built into it. Let's just not mess around. Let's get right into it. Let's open the box. And yeah, it's black. It's tool-free, USB 3.1 Type-C. Let's go ahead and check it out. I tell you what, I'm gonna do one more thing real quick. Okay, what's this? Oh, check it out. Let me go ahead and get my other SSD. Give me a second here. Here we go. All right, let's just delve right into it, like I said. So what is this? This is okay, it's a clear. Usually it's blue or pinkish, but this is going to be a thermal paste. Let's go ahead and open up this guy in here. And one of the cool features you might see, and I'm going to show you over here. Okay, so right here, you'll see this is another NVMe enclosure that you can use for a hard drive like this. And in fact, this one came out of this guy right here. It is aluminum, it's heat dissipating, which is cool. It's USB-C, and it also 10 gigabits per second, which is the same thing as this guy. But what counters some of the heat issues is that this guy is an aluminum piece that should be able to dissipate the heat. No active cooling, just passive cooling. What's different is this guy actually has a fan built in. It does active cooling, which is very interesting. So let's go ahead and open this guy. And well, let's look around it real quick. You get your USB-C connection. You've got a pass-through hole here, in which I'm sure that when the fan blows up and out, it sucks it from the front across the drive and out. So it pulls a lot of that heat out of the drive container. And what's also very interesting that I just noticed is this is all aluminum around the outside. Quite nice. You're thinking, well, how do you open this? And it shows you right there. As you click it open, you pull the base off, and then out she comes. And look at that. That is an actual fan in there with some blades. And there is your board. So it's going to pull the heat off the back side of the board, and it is set up a little bit high so that fan can pull that heat off. Very interesting. Very cool. Okay, this guy is intended to go into here. You take this guy until she snaps, if you heard that. And then we're going to pop it down, and which is cool about this guy is there's an actual tab back here. You're going to take the thermal pad here and place it over the drive. And then you got to slide it in just to get it in place. There we go. Now lock her in. And you now have a functioning NVMe M.2 SSD external hard drive. And in this case, I have 500 gigs ready, willing to go at it. What's cool about this device is it will continue to run until it reaches a temperature threshold that's no longer hot for the device, and the fan will shut off. So what's really cool is you have an active and a passive heat dissipation process on this device. Active being the fan and passive being the aluminum that's dissipating the heat away from the drive. I hope this was helpful for you. I appreciate your time, and I'm out.